Hello friends, welcome to this video. My name is Ashok Kumar. Today I'm gonna help you with IELTS reading module. Reading is very important and it is a very special skill, and your reading skills are comprehensively assessed in the examination. IELTS reading is complicated and one has to struggle a lot to spot the exact information. How to prepare for IELTS reading? This is really very important. You cannot directly approach the test and get 9 bands. You have to be very strategic. You have to plan and execute. If you come from non-English background and English is your second language and your English is poor, then it becomes more challenging for you. To reduce this challenge, you have to work hard and read with planning. In this video, I'm gonna give you some tips which will help you improve your reading. First thing is this, that try to read whatever comes your way, whether it is a newspaper or magazine or any piece of article. When you start reading, you will develop a mindset to read. When you have a reading habit, reading becomes easy and you start understanding whatever is written in the passage or context. First thing you have to do, you have to read whatever comes your way. Now come to IELTS reading module. Here you have to choose the books which are for beginners. Yes, for beginners. Do not directly jump to Cambridge IELTS book 1, 2, 3 to 13. No, find the books which are for beginner, which will help you clear your mind about IELTS, how to approach to the IELTS reading examination. I have seen that many students are overconfident and they say that getting 6 bands or 7 band is not difficult for them. They don't need to prepare, but they end up getting 4.5 and then they approach their teachers and teachers are clueless about them. First thing, go to the books which are for beginners. They will help you clear your mind, develop an understanding about reading module. Third thing, every day set apart 1 hour apart from class to read. When you will read, you will get to understand a lot of things. You will become more habitual and comfortable with IELTS reading. When you do any practice test, develop a habit of reading title and subtitle and questions. First of all, go to the title and try to understand what is written there. And second thing, subtitle. Read the subtitle and try to connect the title and subtitle. Then go to the questions. Read every question very well and underline the important words. When you read title, subtitle and underline the question words, you have a mindset to find the specific information. When you will go to read, your mind will have something to find and something to spot. Your mind should not wander without any information. You have to direct your mind, that your mind has to find, your intuition has to find specific things in the passage. When you practice, do not rush. Try to develop a habit that is logical and try to find the words which are important. Underline important words, important information and keywords. This will help you take to the answer that you are looking for. Very important tips is this, that you have to read extensively. When you will read extensively, this will help you. Passages are written by doctors, any scientist, journalist, and the reading exams are the research papers or a report. Such kind of people produce such kind of articles and passages, and then they go to the Cambridge and your exams become the part of your examination. So the level of English is very high. You have to improve your English as more as you can. And how you can improve your English? By studying. Do not think that your English communication cannot help you. Learn grammar well. try to expand your vocabulary, lexical resources as more as you can. When we go to reading, we do not have answer to the words. We find that words are very difficult. You do not understand the terminology. When you start collecting vocabulary, understand terminology, you become more comfortable with IELTS reading. One thing about IELTS reading is this, that you do not have to write anything from your own mind. It is not about general knowledge. You have to find everything from 3 passages and get your answer from there. Find the piece of information. There may be a heading matching the headings or whatsoever is there. Everything is in the text written before you. So you have to find from there. Try to be relaxed, calm, and read the questions well and find the information. If your vocabulary is poor, this may be challenging. Try to expand your vocabulary. When you practice your reading at home or in an institution, try to collect more words. Take the help of teachers and build your passive vocabulary. That is also very helpful. If you do this way, your English will improve and you will be more comfortable with English, and there will be a time when you would be able to score high bands in your examination. This is all for reading. In my next video, I would be bringing you more useful and practical tips for IELTS reading so you can be comfortable and achieve desired band scores. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you again.